Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to install Google Play apps on your PC. Firstly, go to APK Downloader extension on the Chrome Web Store. Click on Add to Chrome, then confirm the installation by clicking Add Extension in the pop-up. Visit Google Play Store using Chrome. Use the search bar in the top right corner, then enter the app name or related keywords. Click the app you want to download to open its information page. Next, click the puzzle piece icon in Chrome's toolbar and select the APK downloader from the list of extensions. In the APK downloader pop-up, click the Download APK button and the APK file will be downloaded at your default downloads folder. You'll need the software like BlueStacks or an Android device to open and install this APK file on your PC. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.